welcome to Clarusway video tutorial series about JavaScript. This is Ryan Daniels. I am content creator and instructor at Clarusway. In this video, I will tell about Jquery AJAX functions. For this, I am creating an HTML page. I am using boilerplate. Let's clear unnecessary things. And now I will add a JavaScript library. As you know, I will add Jquery reference inside of my project and inside of my page. I will use Jquery 3.3.1 version, and I will paste Jquery class, JavaScript class to my project. You can download from Jquery website. After that, we will write our JavaScript code. Inside of AJAX function, we will use Jquery syntax. That is very important. In this page, we will use a real API for fetching or getting data from server. Inside of AJAX, we will write firstly type will be get. The get word represents type of HTTP request, as you know. URL will be API URL. And data type will be JSON. My API is a RESTful API. And success function. Success is a callback function. And we will use data parameter inside of success function. Before send is a callback function to be executed before AJAX request is sent. Complete is also a callback function to be executed when request finishes. And lastly, error is a callback function to be executed when the request fails. Inside of before send function, generally we send our token key, request dot set request header. Inside of header key value pair token, and token key. You can store in login page whatever you want. But in this video, it will be not important. Afterwards, we will use our token key for getting data from API. Inside of success function, I advise you to use null empty control here, and for seeing the syntax of our data, I will write for loop and data.length is okay, and console log I will write data. Firstly, I will inspect the data coming from API, and then I will reach whatever I want. But now I will write 1, and I will take the top 1 USA job from API. Inspect, console tab, as you see in object. Object means data in success function, and we used as a parameter, and you can see code list, an array, valid value, an array, and value. Okay, let's reach our value. Data dot code list will be an array, dot valid value is an array, and index dot value. As you see, our job titles, I will write 10 for taking top 10 USA jobs from API, and as you see, and 100 we are seeing list of jobs titles coming from API. Inside of complete and error function, we can write our code whatever we want. Thanks for listening to me. See you on next videos. Have a nice coding day.